The Ninja Speedi is quick, easy, and versatile, but let's go over some helpful tips and tricks to get you the best food outputs, as well as how to keep your Ninja Speedi clean. Your Ninja Speedi comes with a quick start guide and recipe book, as well as a build your own Speedi meal chart insert. With these alone, you can create a ton of recipes and meals. But make sure to scan the QR code that can be found in both the Quick Start Guide and on the Speedi Meal Chart, or visit ninjatestkitchen.com/Speedi Meal Builder to get access to thousands of different meals and bowls. On this website, you can customize your own meals with whatever ingredients are in your fridge or pantry. Just pick your base, your protein, seasoning, vegetables, and toppings, and a custom recipe will be generated for you to use with your Ninja Speedi. You can also save these recipes for easy access later. The Ninja Speedi is also perfect for meal prepping. Cook 2 back-to-back meals in the Ninja Speedi in as little as 30 minutes. Mix and match your proteins, grains, and veggies as well, and use sauces and toppings to customize each meal for variety throughout the week. I love to prep my meals throughout the week because I am a busy mom, business owner, attorney, all the things, and using the Ninja Speedi helps a lot with that. While the Ninja Speedi is great for creating meals for up to 4 people, you can reduce the servings to 1 to 2 people by having the base, vegetables, and protein quantities and following the time recommendations as listed. When doing so, make sure to cover the crisper tray with aluminum foil to protect the base from additional heat. Utilizing tin foil will also be beneficial for those more delicate veggies placed on the crisper tray. Place your veggies in a tin foil pouch if you do not prefer your veggies well done. If you don't like mixing flavors, you can also use a tin foil pouch for veggies and recipes that call for cooking within or on top of your base. While the Ninja Speedi can cook a complete meal in as little as 15 minutes, if you notice that your base still needs more time after your proteins are done, switch the unit to the sear saute function and continue to cook with the lid open until the liquid has been absorbed. Lastly, cleaning the Ninja Speedi is as quick and easy as cooking a meal in it. The unit should be cleaned thoroughly after each use. Unplug the unit from the wall outlet and ensure the unit is fully cooled before washing. The cooking pot, crisper tray, and condensation catch can be washed in the dishwasher. To clean the cooker base and the control panel, wipe them clean with a damp cloth. Make sure to never put the cooker base in the dishwasher or immerse it in water or any other liquid, as this will damage the unit. If food residue is stuck on the pot or crisper tray, fill the pot with water and allow to soak before cleaning. Do not use scouring pads. If scrubbing is necessary, use a non-abrasive cleanser or liquid dish soap with a nylon pad or brush. Air dry all parts after each use. We recommend inspecting the interior of the lid prior to cooking with wet cooking functions, which include slow cook, sous vide, sear saute, and all rapid cooker functions. If you see any food residue or oil buildup on the heating element or fan, we recommend cleaning the unit, then wiping down the interior of the lid to avoid causing burning. If doing so, fill the cooking pot with 3 cups of water and move the smart switch to rapid cooker mode. Select steam and set time to 10 minutes. Close the lid and select start stop. When time reaches 0 and the unit has cooled down, use a wet cloth or sponge to wipe down the interior of the lid. Make sure when cleaning the interior of the lid, you do not touch the fan. Remove water from the pot and be sure to rinse both the cooking pot and crisper tray to ensure all residue has been removed. If you're looking for more information about the Ninja Speedi, visit us at ninjakitchen.com, and for recipe inspiration, visit ninjatestkitchen.com.